Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to let anyone join your private story on Snapchat using your mobile device. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, if you are using Android phone, don't worry because the process is still the same. So let's get started. So first of all, you want to open your Snapchat. And now just go ahead and take a picture or video so that you can add it on your private story. So once you've done that, you want to click on the send to button at the lower right corner of your screen and click on the private story that you have. Then again, click on the arrow button at the lower right corner of your screen. And now, the next step is to click on your profile photo at the upper left corner of your screen. Scroll down until you see the stories section. So now, here, as you can see at the sample, the sample is my private story name, okay? So click on the three little dots at the right side of it and click on edit viewers. And now you can just go ahead and add any users that you want or search for their username. And click on save. And that is how you do it. Okay? So that is how you let anyone join your private story on Snapchat. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one and have a great day.